Hello, welcome to ICT 12, and today I'm going to tell you how to set up a green screen. In the studio we have the fundamentals. We have the 3 lights, a subject, and a green backdrop. The first step in a successful green screen is to light the backdrop, which is not as easy as one might think. There should not be any weird shadows on the green backdrop, because they show up later on. Make sure to remove all wrinkles, perhaps by avoiding fabric. A sheet of paper is the most standard procedure in this regard. Let the paper sag onto the floor for a smooth transition to minimize these shadows, as the shadows will detract from the finished product. Lighting the green screen is difficult due to 2 elements, the backdrop and the subject. The goal is to make the lighting as even as possible to avoid hotspots, which are differing areas of exposure. Having different areas of exposure means that there is a bright spot in one specific area, but the corners are not lit properly. If there is one hard light, it will create darkness around the corners. Ideally, one should make use of 2 lights to light the backdrop. Also, make sure the lights are even in terms of distance and exposure. For lighting the subject, the light's brightness should be similar to the background, so that the lighting is more consistent. Have the subject stand far enough away from the green screen to ensure the lighting is correct in order to minimize shadows. Depending on size of screen and light, have subject stand 6 to 8 feet away from the screen. Having the subject stand at this distance will allow them to be lighted without interfering with the rest of the setup. Moreover, doing this will ensure that you will create the best key light. Most importantly, do not wear green on the set, as it would take appearance of the background. Once all the steps are completed, you should have a functioning green screen ready to go.